Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is another exciting unboxing video once again. And this is another jewelry unboxing video. I'm super duper excited, guys. Oh my god. Nasi-sense niyo ba ang excitement ko? I did receive this today, just a couple of hours ago. And ngayon ko lang siya inopen kasi nag-work si ate niyo. And I waited na mag-lunch break ako para magawan ko siya ng unboxing and first impression video because I've been waiting for this one. So this parcel is from Japan. And we're gonna do the unboxing now. I'm gonna share the details with you later on. So, oh my goodness. After 100 years, natapos din ang ating pag-open ng box. Sobrang tibay ng kanilang tapes. Ayan, pag nagpadala ko sa Pilipinas ng balikbayan box ulit, I'll make sure ganitong tape yung gagamitin ko kasi sobrang hirap i-open. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Oh my goodness. And, ayan. So, nirap talaga ni Madam Reggie ang ating goodies. Okay, so open na natin guys ha. So, alam ko na yung laman nito, of course. So, the first one is, yung talagang na-excited ako is ito. So, we've got like a cup noodles from Japan. Ayan. So, meron tayong mga pa-freebies from Japan. Thank you, Madam Reggie. And then, we have another freebie. Ayan. Meron tayong chocolate. Si Paris na naman tong ma-enjoy niya ito mamaya. Ayan. Thank you po. And the moment of truth is here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Okay. So, inside this white, long, skinny box is my tennis bracelet. Yes, you heard it right, guys. Tennis bracelet. Si Buntis, meron ng tennis bracelet. This is my first time owning tennis bracelet. And until now, hindi ko pa rin siya anong tawag dito? Hindi ko pa rin siya ma-process sa utak ko na meron na akong ganito. Oh my god, I can't wait for you to see it, guys. For sure, magugustuhan nyo rin to. So, meron pa siyang black na box. And, oh my goodness, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking kuko, guys. Sa lockdown sa amin, hindi pwedeng magpagawa ng kuko. Oh, okay. 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 Alam, bakit kinikilig ako? Oh my goodness, bakit ako kinikilig? Ayan. Sobrang baba ng kaligayahan ni Buntis, guys, no? Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Ayan, sobrang tagal ko itong hinintay, guys. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Ay! Bakit ako nanginginig? OA sa atin yun, no? Okay, so that's what it looks like. So this is, hopefully, mag-focus ang ating camera para makita nyo ang beauty. So this is the tennis bracelet na heart. Ayan ang kanyang style. And with this one, meron tayong hikaw. Hindi nyo makita. Okay, so the backstory of this beautiful, gorgeous bracelet, guys, is that I stumbled upon this Facebook page and they are selling mga Subasta, or Subasta means pre-owned, pre-loved na mga jewelry from Japan. So they are based in Osaka, Japan. And I've been following them for a while. I watch their videos. But sometimes, like, you know, you can't bring yourself in buying something na, alam niyo yung mapresyo, diba? But that day, I pulled the trigger. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko na, I am buying this for myself. It's a reward for myself. I think I've been working hard. And kahit nasabihin yung reasoning yun, guys, but you know what? That's how I felt. And then you know what? The one thing that also pushed me na bilhin to is that because they offer layaway. So, it's a plus, guys, kasi para hindi ka mabigatan, you don't have to pay the whole amount, the full amount in one go. So, they do one month layaway. Chika mo, tika mo, ipakita ko muna, guys. Mamaya na yung chika na ganyan, guys, ha? Kasi, okay. Explain ko sa inyo mamaya para may idea kayo, but, oh my goodness. Have a look. Look. And then, sa Japan, guys, ganito talaga yung kanilang mga lock, no? Like double lock, yung mga ganitong klaseng lock. So, this tennis bracelet is 1 carat diamond. Yes, guys. 1 carat diamond. Nung nakita ko, kasi nagla-live sila, guys, sa Facebook. Nung nakita ko to siya, oh my goodness, sobrang ganda. Hala ko. Oh my God, natatakot naman akong isuot to, guys. Originally, ano talaga natin para makita nyo ng mabuti. So, originally, this was 18 centimeters. Pero, sobrang liit kasi nung wrist ko, guys. Like, yung wrist ko is only mga 14.5 centimeters lang to siya. So, if yung 18 centimeters, sobrang haba. So, yung ginawa namin is, again, this is another service that they offer. So, pwede kang magpa-resize sa kanila. Hindi sila yung gagawa ng resize. They take the item to a jeweler. Tapos, yung jeweler yung obviously mag-fix or mag-resize. So, yung ginawa, they made it to size 16. Wala, sobrang kinang niya, guys. Very, very makinang. Kita niyo yung kanyang kinang-kinang? Ayan. Oo. So, niresize to siya in size 16. Lagay na natin, guys. Oh my goodness. Tapos, ganyan. Oh, medyo malaki pa nga siya. But then, that is... Kasi ito siya, yung bangle ko is size 15 lang. Sobrang liit talaga kasi ng wrist ko, guys. So, yan. Hala! Ako yun. Hala, sobrang ganda niya. So, I think I'm very happy na size 16, guys. Kasi it gives, parang may room siyang ganyan. O, diba? Para hindi naman siya sobrang tight na tight talaga. Diyan. I think that is perfect. Oh my goodness. Hala. Ayan. So, ito siya niresize to size 16. So, yung ginawa, guys, yung remaining, kasi merong yung mga bilog-bilog na mga diamond, ginawa naming hikaw. Ayan. So, para siyang tennis na din ngayon, nahikaw. So, nilagyan nila ng parang tusok. Tapos, yung pakaw niya is yung parang rubber lang. May ganyan. Rubber, pero may, rubber siya, pero meron din siyang gold. Ayan. So, ito yung parang sumpay ba? Kapoy, maning Bisaya to eh. Tagalog. Ayan. So, from the bracelet, meron pa tayong earrings. Ayan. Hala, itry natin yung earrings. So, yung nila, guys, yung fee nila, for the resize, tsaka palagyan ng, ng tusok yung, earrings, paggawang earrings, yung, naiwang diamond tsaka gold. They only charge 4,500 peso before tax. Kasi ganyan daw yung Japan. Yung sinasabi nilang presyo, on top of that, magbabayad ka pa ng tax. Hala ka, oy. Madam, nakaayo ko anitan. Madam Reggie, Ate Marlene, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to own this beautiful jewelry. Like I said, okay. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Focus tayo. Hala, kita ang tuli-tuli. Hala, oh my God. Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo ba? Hala, sobrang ganda niya, guys. Nabubuang ako dito. Hala. Try natin yung isa din para makita talaga yung beauty. Tapos ngayon, isi-share ko sa inyo yung seller, guys, because I know a lot of you may, yung mga mahihilig din sa mga alahas ba. And it's, you know what, pag may mga nakita akong mga place na, worth recommending, bakit ko sila hindi i-recommend, diba? I'm gonna tell you the details after this, guys. Hay, lagay muna natin para gumanda si Buntis. Ayan na, set na ang ating bracelet, tsaka ang ating earrings. Okay, so, enough of that, guys. Asa na ang aking phone? Nibalik na sa tindahan. Ayan. So, I'll share you the name of yung Facebook nila. Ilalagay ko rin sa screen, guys, para makita nyo talaga. So, ito yung pangalan, guys. Ayan. So, make sure na you visit their Facebook page. It's Regine Jewelry House. Ayan. Nakikita nyo, na-like ko na yan. And they do, nagla-live sila sa Facebook every Wednesday, and it used to be Wednesday and Saturday, pero kasi yung ibang mga buyers daw nila nag-ask, nag-request daw na if ever, kung pwede lang sana, Sunday na lang instead of Saturday, kasi nag-work sila. So ngayon, every Wednesday and every Sunday yung kanilang live. So make sure na present kayo sa live nila next time. And then, let them know that, Jovey sent you, ganun, para naman happy tayong lahat. Anyways, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Madam Reggie, tsaka kay Ate Marlene, and also sa kanyang anak na dalaga, kasi yun yung nakikita ko always sa kanilang live. Maraming salamat for this. As mentioned, they do layaway. So, yung layaway pala nila, you have pag naka-mind ka na sa live nila, 1 to 2 days or 1 to 3 days, hihintayin nila yung bayad mo. If gusto mong mag-layaway, they will ask for 40% na down payment. Tapos, yung another 60% is pwede na tapusin mo in a month. So, para hindi sobrang mabigat sa bulsa mo, may time ka pa na magbaligya og lugit. Magbaligya og legit, ganun. So, para may time ka pa na makapag-ipon and all. So, it's really a plus na they take layaway. And yan talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa kanila. And most of all, yung talagang nagustuhan ko sa kanila is that they are not just a seller. They are also a friend. You know what I mean? So, it's very rare na makakita ka ng seller na friendly, and parang sobrang gaan ng loob ko sa kanila, guys. Like, the first time I saw their live, yung, ewan ko, parang sabi ko nga kay Madam Reggie na, parang siya, nakita ko yung ate ko na I never had, kasi 'di ba ako yung eldest na babae sa amin. So, parang nakita ko yung, yung parang ate ko na hindi ako nagkaroon sa kanya. Kasi sobrang madaling kausap, nakaka-ask ka ng favor, ganun. Yun bang, minsan pag ang tawag dito, pwede ko tong layaway or extra days, ganun. Kasi nihintay ko pang chuchu, ganun. So, madali silang mapakiusapan. They are humans. Hindi talaga sila robots, guys. May puso sila. And also, Ate Marlene, the manager, Doris Bergornia, ayan. Sobrang bait din. Just make sure na pag may nagustuhan kayo, iman nyo na kaagad kasi sobrang bilis ni Ate Marlene. Alam nyo na, doon siya sa luwag, kaya sobrang mabilis siyang makamind pag may nakita siyang maganda. So, if ever may makita kayong maganda sa live, make sure na iman nyo na. But, I think I covered everything already, guys, about the seller and all. I just wanna flex this again. Flex ulit natin ang ating magandang bracelet. Sobrang kinang, guys. Hindi mo talaga masasabi na Subasta siya or pre-loved. Tingnan nyo ang diamond. 1 carat of diamond. Ayan. Sino makakapagsabi na pre-loved yan siya? Hindi kasi kapag na-resize siya, yung jeweler, parang pinapolish nila. So, nagmumukhang bago. At sobrang makinang talaga yung item. So, ayan. Kaya, guys, alam nyo, sobrang nakaka-addict talaga yung mga Japan jewelry. Medyo, I'll admit it, guys, medyo mapresyo nga lang siya yung mga Japan jewelry. But, sulit na sulit. Worth every penny talaga, guys. Oh, and also, hindi ko na-mention sa inyo yung shipping. So, yung shipping nila, yung option is DHL and sa post office. So, yung DHL kasi, guys, sobrang mahal. It's 4,400 pesos. So, alam niyo na, di ba, kung saan ka makaka-less, doon ka. So, unfortunately, yung EMS, hindi pa siya available sa Australia at the moment kasi sinuspend din nila yung EMS dito since last year ata kasi nga sa COVID. So, walang EMS. So, yung option is, yun na nga lang, oh my God, parang yung utak ko, guys. Yun na nga lang, DHL or airmail sa through post office. So, you know the difference though, guys, is airmail, wala siyang tracking. So, for me, it's very risky. Also, for the seller, very risky siya kasi hindi mo siya natatrack. But then, Madam Reggie assured me na darating at darating din. Kaya, I trusted her kasi, she posted stuff already overseas through parang Japan post office at dumating naman daw ng safe. So sabi ko, okay, let's go with that because it's only 1,000 peso. So iba yung malaki yung diferensya, diba, guys, from 4,400 to 1,000 peso. Pero yun na nga lang, medyo matagal and walang tracking. But I trusted her, I trusted the process, I trusted the plane, I trusted the postman, I trusted the post office, I trusted everyone. And here I am now. I'm very happy I chose it. And it took, so DHL, I believe, parang lang siya, mga 4 to 5 days darating na yung parcel. But with this one, post office, oh my God, guys. So 14 days nung Monday, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, it's been 17 days. So, if you are not in a rush naman, I think it's perfect alternative kung nasa Australia ka, ha. Kasi sa ibang bansa, meron na silang EMS, Pilipinas, Australia, USA, nag-start na yung EMS nila nung 1st of June. Pero pag nasa Australia ka, at, you are not willing to pay for the, yung DHL na 4,400, then, the airmail is working, guys. It is working. I can prove it because look at it now. I have it. I'm wearing it now and it's super beautiful and I'm obsessed. I can't get over it. Ayan. Again, Madam Reggie, Ate Marlene, thank you for this, a freebie. And for this, oh my goodness, sobrang sarap titigan, guys. Like, basta, ewan ko. And then, I'll give you another, ano na lang, look. Ganyan. That's about it, guys, for today's video. I think mahaba-haba na siya, but I just want to share it with you. And please, 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 if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And also, message them sa page nila. They are very, very, anong tawag, responsive. So, kapag nag-message ka sa kanila, you can always, they will always reply to you in a timely manner. Kaya, yeah, you don't have to worry about yung hindi ka re-replyan or whatever. Unless na-spam ka, then that's a different story. But, yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. I don't think napakita ko ng enough yung ating, ano, ayan, ayan, ayan. Yeah, hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can, be careful. Bye.